It is an online speaking and writing English course. Students will be able to improve their English speaking and writing skills. Basically, this course is divided into 5 separate modules. The first module is English grammar content. The second module is English grammar video lectures. The third module includes self-introductions, conversations, topic discussion and debates. The fourth module is the most amazing part of this course. It is an automatic grammar practice platform. The final module is an online exam platform for the students to give exam and get a result. Let me introduce this English learning platform to you. You have to type gyan.com, gyaaann.com on the browser, and then you will be able to access this website. There are 3 types of courses. The long-term course of duration 1 year, and the cost of this course is just 599 rupees. The medium-term course of duration 6 months, and the cost of it is just 499 rupees. We also have a short-term course of duration 4 months, and the cost of it is just 399 rupees. But I will suggest you not to pay a single penny for it. Try it free of cost for a single day. There is a free demo session and you can try it for a single day. You should be able to explore the English learning website and understand it before you spend your money. If you are convinced that it is very helpful for you, then you may consider paying money and joining the course. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste your precious time. Therefore go for it now and try it free of cost.